This is the $6 million Bugatti Sport that was crashed by Alex. After he got paid out.
Before anyone fully understood what was happening, people across the automotive world began talking about one unexpected name. It was not the head of a major car company, a famous racing driver, or a veteran engineer. Instead, it was Mat Armstrong, a YouTuber known for rebuilding damaged supercars and sharing every step of the process with millions of viewers. The reason for all the attention was simple but surprising. Elon Musk appeared to place his trust in Mat Armstrong in a way that few people expected. For years, major car manufacturers have carefully controlled who gets access to their newest products, technology, and projects. Companies usually work with professional journalists, large media organizations, or trusted industry experts. That is why many people were shocked when Mat Armstrong suddenly found himself connected to a story involving Tesla and Elon Musk. Fans immediately began asking questions. Why would one of the most influential people in the automotive and technology industries pay attention to a creator known for fixing crashed cars? What made Mat different from thousands of other content creators? The answer may reveal something much bigger than a simple collaboration. It may show how the automotive industry itself is changing. Traditional car companies once depended almost entirely on advertisements, dealerships, and automotive magazines to reach customers. Today, millions of people get their information from independent creators on platforms like YouTube. These creators often have stronger relationships with audiences than large media companies. Their viewers trust them because they show both successes and failures. In many ways, Mat Armstrong represents this new generation of automotive influence. His rise from a small garage in England to one of the most recognized names in car restoration reflects a major shift in how automotive stories are told. The growing connection between creators and major manufacturers may be one of the biggest changes the industry has seen in years. To understand why the situation attracted so much attention, it is important to look at where Tesla stands today. The company is entering a period that could define its future. Although Tesla remains one of the most recognized electric vehicle manufacturers in the world, competition has become stronger than ever. New electric vehicles are arriving from established brands, as well as newer companies trying to gain market share. Tesla's popular Model 3 and Model Y continue to generate strong interest, but the company is increasingly focused on what comes next. Industry observers believe Tesla's future may depend on affordable electric vehicles that can reach millions of new customers. At the same time, Elon Musk continues to emphasize technologies such as autonomous driving, robot taxis, artificial intelligence, and robotics. These projects suggest that Tesla's long-term goals extend far beyond building cars. Many analysts now describe Tesla as a technology company that also happens to manufacture vehicles. This shift in focus has created both excitement and uncertainty. Supporters believe Tesla is positioning itself for the future, while critics question whether some of its ambitious goals can be achieved as quickly as promised. Regardless of differing opinions, there is little doubt that the next few years will be extremely important for the company. Every decision Tesla makes is being watched closely by investors, competitors, and customers around the world. Against this backdrop, any interaction involving Elon Musk attracts attention. When someone like Mat Armstrong becomes part of the conversation, people naturally want to know why. The automotive industry understands that public perception matters. The people chosen to represent products, test vehicles, or tell stories can influence how millions of consumers view a brand. That is one reason why the connection between Elon Musk and Mat Armstrong generated such widespread discussion among automotive enthusiasts and industry professionals alike. Mat Armstrong's story is very different from the stories of most automotive personalities. He did not begin his career as an engineer, journalist, or television presenter. Instead, his early passion was BMX riding. As a young man, he loved challenges, competition, and pushing himself to perform difficult tricks. BMX gave him excitement and purpose, and for a long time it seemed that his future would revolve around the sport. However, life often changes direction when people least expect it. During a competition, Mat suffered a serious injury that forced him to reconsider his future. Suddenly, the path he had been following no longer seemed certain. Many people would have struggled to move forward after such a setback. Some might have given up on their ambitions entirely. Mat chose a different route. He turned his attention towards something that had always interested him: cars. His father possessed strong mechanical skills and could repair almost anything. Growing up around that environment helped Matt develop confidence around tools, engines, and vehicle repairs. Even so, he was far from an expert. What made him stand out was his willingness to learn publicly. Instead of hiding mistakes, he showed them. Instead of pretending to know everything, he shared the process of discovering solutions. This approach created a powerful connection with viewers. People did not watch because he was perfect. They watched because he was real. They saw someone facing problems, making mistakes, learning lessons, and eventually succeeding. That honesty became one of the most important factors behind his growth. Over time, viewers became invested not only in the cars, but also in the person rebuilding them. They wanted to see what challenge he would tackle next, and whether he could overcome it. One of the projects that helped transform Mat Armstrong into a major YouTube personality involved rebuilding heavily damaged vehicles that many people consider beyond repair. While some creators focus on reviews or entertainment, Matt built his audience by taking on difficult restoration projects. These projects often involve cars that looked destined for the scrapyard. Missing parts, damaged engines, broken electronics, and severe body damage were common obstacles. Instead of avoiding these challenges, Matt embraced them. Viewers became fascinated by the process because every project carried genuine uncertainty. There was no guarantee that the vehicle would ever return to the road. The suspense was real, and that made each episode more engaging. As his audience grew, so did the scale of his projects. He moved from ordinary vehicles to high-performance sports cars, and eventually some of the most desirable machines in the world. Among these was a damaged Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport, a hypercar worth millions of dollars. The idea that a YouTuber working from a garage would attempt to rebuild such an expensive vehicle captured global attention. Automotive fans, industry insiders, and casual viewers all wanted to see whether it could be done. Every update generated discussion across social media platforms and automotive communities. More importantly, the project demonstrated how much trust audiences had placed in Mat Armstrong. They believed he would show every challenge honestly, whether things went well or badly. This level of transparency is increasingly rare in modern media. Many polished productions focus only on successful outcomes, while Matt's content often highlights the difficulties, failures, and frustrations involved in complex automotive repairs. That authenticity helps separate him from many other creators in the automotive space. Mat Armstrong's influence continued to expand. Major manufacturers could no longer ignore the impact creators like him were having on consumer attention. In the past, companies controlled most automotive communication through traditional channels. Today, independent creators often reach larger and more engaged audiences than many established publications. A single video from a trusted creator can generate millions of views and spark conversations across the internet. Companies understand this reality, which is why relationships between manufacturers and creators have become increasingly important. If Elon Musk truly decided to give Mat Armstrong special access, support, or recognition, the move would reflect a larger trend within the industry. It would signal that influence is no longer determined solely by corporate titles or media organizations. Instead, influence belongs to people who have earned audience trust through years of consistent work. Mat Armstrong's journey from rebuilding damaged cars in a garage to becoming a respected voice in the automotive community demonstrates how dramatically the landscape has changed. Whether the story involves a Tesla project, exclusive access, or another form of collaboration, the deeper message remains the same. The automotive industry is evolving. New voices are shaping conversations that were once controlled by a small group of insiders. Elon Musk's interest in someone like Mat Armstrong may not simply be about one creator. It may represent recognition of a broader shift occurring throughout the industry. As technology, media, and consumer behavior continue to change, creators who combine expertise, authenticity, and storytelling are becoming some of the most influential figures in the automotive world. Their ability to connect directly with audiences gives them a unique power that traditional media often struggles to match. For that reason, the The relationship between major manufacturers and creators like Mat Armstrong will likely become even more important in the years ahead. Point One project, in particular, helped elevate Mat Armstrong's reputation to an entirely different level. When news spread that a heavily damaged Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport would be rebuilt on his channel, many people simply could not believe it. The Bugatti Chiron is not an ordinary supercar. It is one of the most advanced and expensive vehicles ever produced. Every component is engineered to extremely high standards, and even minor repairs can cost enormous amounts of money. Because of this, most people assume that a damaged Chiron would either be repaired by factory specialists or remain in storage until experts could restore it properly. The idea that a YouTuber would attempt such a project seemed unrealistic. Yet, that is exactly what attracted millions of viewers. From the very beginning, the rebuild felt like an impossible challenge. The car had suffered serious damage, and replacement parts were difficult to obtain. Every stage of the process presented new problems that needed creative solutions. Some repairs required extensive research, while others involved trial and error. Viewers followed the journey because they genuinely did not know whether success was possible. Unlike scripted television shows where outcomes are often predictable, Mat's videos carried real uncertainty. If a part did not fit correctly, the audience saw it. If a repair failed, the audience saw that too. This honesty created a powerful sense of involvement. Viewers felt as if they were participating in the project rather than simply watching from a distance. As episodes continued to attract millions of views, the Bugatti rebuild became more than just another automotive project. It became proof that independent creators could capture global attention through persistence, transparency, and storytelling. The project also demonstrated something important about Mat Armstrong's appeal. People were not only interested in expensive cars, they were interested in watching someone solve difficult problems. Every obstacle created suspense, and every successful repair felt like a victory shared by the entire audience. By the time the project gained worldwide recognition, Mat had firmly established himself as one of the most influential automotive creators on YouTube. This growing influence helps explain why any connection between Mat Armstrong and Elon Musk attracts so much attention. Elon Musk has always been known for doing things differently. Throughout his career, he has often bypassed traditional methods and embraced unconventional approaches. Pennies should operate. Instead of relying heavily on conventional advertising, Tesla frequently benefited from social media conversations, online communities, and direct engagement with customers. In many ways, creators like Mat Armstrong fit naturally into this environment. They communicate directly with audiences, build trust through transparency, and generate excitement through authentic experiences rather than carefully controlled marketing campaigns. If Musk chose to support, recognize, or collaborate with Mat Armstrong in any meaningful way, the decision would make strategic sense. It would allow Tesla to connect with a highly engaged audience that already has a strong interest in vehicles, technology, and innovation. More importantly, it would demonstrate how influence in the automotive world continues to evolve. Years ago, gaining access to major manufacturers often required working for a large media organization. Today, an individual creator with a camera, a garage, and a loyal audience can become just as influential as traditional automotive journalists. This shift has changed the relationship between companies and consumers. People increasingly trust creators who show real experiences rather than polished advertisements. They want honest opinions, detailed explanations, and behind-the-scenes access. Mat Armstrong has built his entire brand around providing exactly that type of content. Whether the story involves a Tesla vehicle, a special opportunity, or a unique collaboration, the larger significance extends beyond one individual. It highlights the growing power of independent creators and the changing way automotive stories are shared with the world. The rise of creators like Mat Armstrong is also forcing the automotive industry to rethink how it connects with the public. For decades, car manufacturers relied on a familiar formula. They revealed new vehicles at major events, invited journalists to test them, and then launched large advertising campaigns to attract buyers. While those methods still exist today, they no longer have the same level of influence they once did. Modern audiences spend more time watching content creators than reading traditional automotive magazines. They want to see vehicles tested in real situations by people they feel they know and trust. This shift has created a new type of automotive celebrity, Individuals who may not work for major companies, but who have built loyal communities through consistent and authentic content. Mat Armstrong is one of the clearest examples of this trend. His success was not created by expensive marketing campaigns or corporate support. It came from years of hard work, persistence, and a willingness to show every step of the learning process. Viewers watched him make mistakes, solve problems, and gradually take on bigger and more ambitious projects. Because they experienced that journey with him, they developed a strong connection to his content. This kind of audience loyalty is extremely valuable. Companies understand that when a trusted creator discusses a product, people pay attention. They also know that viewers are often more likely to believe the experiences of a creator than a traditional advertisement. That is why creators have become such an important part of modern automotive marketing and communication. The industry is no longer controlled entirely by manufacturers and media organizations. Independent voices now play a major role in shaping public opinion. As a result, creators who can educate, entertain, and build trust are becoming increasingly powerful figures within the automotive world. Their influence extends beyond YouTube videos and social media posts. In many cases, they help determine which vehicles capture public attention and which stories dominate conversations among enthusiasts. Looking ahead, the connection between innovators like Elon Musk and creators like Mat Armstrong may become even more common. The automotive industry is entering a period of rapid change driven by electric vehicles, artificial intelligence, advanced software, and new manufacturing